Ready to bring your static images to life with some seriously cool movement in Capcut PC? First, import the image you want to animate into your media bin. Just drag and drop it directly into Capcut or use the import button. Now, drag your chosen image onto the timeline. Adjust its duration by dragging the edges to set how long you want it to be on screen. This is where the magic happens. Go to the beginning of the clip on your timeline. Then in the video panel on the right, click the keyframe icon next to scale and position. This sets your starting point. Move the playhead a few seconds further down the timeline now. Adjust the scale and position parameters. You can zoom in or out, move the image left, right, up, or down. These adjustments will create a second keyframe automatically. Capcut smoothly interpolates between these keyframes, creating the animation. Play it back and see your image move. Want more complex movement? Add more keyframes at different points on the timeline and tweak the scale and position each time. Experiment with different speeds by spacing the keyframes closer together for faster movement, or further apart for slower movement. For a rotating effect, use the rotation option below position and scale. Set keyframes to control the rotation amount throughout the video. Don't forget to add effects and overlays to make your video even more visually appealing. And that's it. You've successfully animated a static image in Capcut PC. Now go create some amazing dynamic visuals. Remember to subscribe for more Capcut tutorials.